Our country is staring at a constitutional moment.
Riu hatire gaja gutire gushoka na thutha guokanio ucenjio wa gatiba thutha wa Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kuheana kiraniro ro ringi kiate ya Kenya matierika thini wa ithurano giukite gutambite kugie na mogaruruku magi gatiba. Kenya taifa letu Kenya. Hinde ya mabura ma 57 ma mashujaa maria makongoirwo kero-ini gia Gusii thini wa kaunti ya Githii, President niaugire thabarire yambiriirio miaka mingi mihituku ndirarika no guhinda ni ikinyu wa Kenya marunge icuri oro ringi niguo bururi hote guikara gacira-ini karia kagiriire.
The question of us versus them must come to an end, fellow Kenyans. And as we exercise our democratic rights, it must never again be at the expense of our diversity.
Naona thege ya ate riboti ya muthia ya BBI ndirirarekererio niguo akenya mamenye haria mekwambiriria ndereti ino ya ucenjio wa gatiba. Uregani muhio ni ukoretwo kigweka kuma kuri amwe atongoria makiuga kuri na mubango wa guthondekera ateti amwe turwa undu uria president areganire naguo.
We should not give my suggestion the parochial interpretation of creating positions for individuals. I am only urging for a constitutional consensus that accommodates all communities in an election.
Gukuruhania nduriri ciothe ituro-ini cia utongoria wigananu guokane kugayana mieke udumwe na kurigiriria ngui iria ciumiragia thutha wa ithurano ni mamwe ma maundu matatu maria president areire magutongoria Kenya thini wa ndereti ino ya mogaruruku magi gatiba.
It would indeed, fellow Kenyans, be a tragedy if come subsequent elections we have not resolved this dilemma. And that is why I urge the country to ponder a constitutional consensus around a three-pronged national question.
Ni miaka 10 kumariria gatiba njeru ya rugoririo president akinyiriria ni koretwo na umithio munene na no itindikite ya Kenya ginyagia haria makinyite no riu ni ihinda ringi ria gwika mogaruruku gatiba-ini ino.
The question at hand, and one requiring a constitutional consensus, is therefore how do we as a people, as a nation, resolve the winner-take-all situation within a context of competitive politics as required by democratic practice?
Riu kuri ya Kenya ti kiuria gia kana gatiba ni iracenjio indi ni kiuria kianiri no maya magakinyanira gwona riboti no ya temanio muingi-ini kiumia giukite. Gweterera Kameme TV retora kwa neno gari wa Kamau.